Hello everyone, I am Avinash here. Do you know why cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, or why 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, or why is cot square theta plus 1 cosec square theta? If you don't know, watch this video till end. In order to explain this, I have drawn a right triangle over here. As you can see, here angle B is 90 degree. I have taken angle C as theta. And now you might be knowing that the side just in front of theta is called perpendicular. So AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base, and the side just opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? We will get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, or AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. Dividing both sides by AC square. Okay, so on dividing both sides by AC square, we get this. Now see here, AC square and AC square will cancel out. Okay, now we can write it as AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square is equal to 1. Now you can see here what is here we have AB by AC. Now let us look at the figure. AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse, and we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can write this equation as sin theta whole square plus, similarly BC by AC, base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse is called cos theta. So we can write this as cos theta whole square is equal to 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is how we get this identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now let us see why is 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. In order to explain this also, we take this triangle, we draw a right triangle in which we take angle C as theta and angle B as 90 degree. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get this. Now we will divide both the sides by, can you tell, by which side? This time we are going to divide both the side by BC square, or AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. Dividing both sides by BC square. Okay, or see AB by BC whole square. Now this will cancel out and we will get 1 over here. This is equal to AC by BC whole square. Now let us see AB by BC. AB by BC, perpendicular by base. You know that perpendicular by base is tan theta. So we can write tan theta whole square plus 1 is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC, hypotenuse by base. This is called sec theta. So we will get sec theta whole square. We can write this as tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So we got the next identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Now let us see y is cot square theta plus 1 cosec square theta. Similarly, we will take this right triangle in which angle C is theta and angle B is 90 degree. We will apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle and we will get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now can you guess what we are going to do? Now we will divide both the sides by AB square. Now let us see what happens. Or AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square, dividing both sides by AB square. Okay. Now see, this AB square and this AB square will cancel out and we'll get 1 plus BC by AB whole square. This is equal to AC by AB whole square. Or 1 plus BC by AB, BC by AB, base by perpendicular. This is called cot theta. So cot theta whole square is equal to AC by AB, AC by AB, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular, is called cosec theta. So we get, we can write this equation as, or 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. I hope you must have understood now that y is cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and cos square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. Okay, bye.